Good afternoon from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Northampton location, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2015 Cadillac SRX. This SRX is showing just over 94,000 original miles. If you would like to see a high-resolution detailed photo set, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There, of course, you will also find a free included Carfax report, alongside a long list of technical data related to the vehicle's tire and brake life, as well as individual readings from each panel using our paint depth meter. But today I'll give you a quick condition overview on both the interior and the exterior of the SRX, as well as showing you some of its more notable features. Start by looking at the exterior condition. Really beautiful metallic gray. It's got little hues of blue in it as well. Really looks excellent. I can see a lot of green metal flake in there. It's a very unique color. You can see it presents very well. Very minor swirl marks in the clear coat, but nothing that wouldn't be expected with similar mileage. Take you on a quick tour down the driver's side so you can get a look at the bodywork. It's all in very nice condition. And as we pass all of these different bits of chrome trim, you'll see they all look fantastic as well, shining brilliantly here in the sun today. You'll find very, very minor dings at the rear of that back door, but again, very minor. Take a look at the wheels here. They do add a lot to the exterior styling with that nice brushed finish. 20-inch wheels, very nice condition on all four corners, and we'll continue that here to the front. As you can see, they look fantastic. All of that chrome trim, as I mentioned before, looks perfect. And up there on the roof, you can see a nice panoramic sunroof, and we'll see that in detail in just a few moments. Looking here at the front fascia, you'll notice it's very common to find these headlights on pretty much any car from this era to be yellowing or oxidizing, and that really affects the appearance here at the front. But of course, on this Cadillac, they look just phenomenal on both sides, as you can see here on the passenger side, and that really does clean up the front end. Very luxurious, kind of an executive presence as this vehicle goes down the road with that classic Cadillac grille and that nice big badge in the center as well. See, all the chrome looks excellent, and you will find some minor clear coat degradation there at the front of the bumper, just from rock chips and basic use, but certainly no signs of abuse or any collisions. It's just regular wear and tear. It does look very nice. Looking at another wheel in very nice shape. No curb rash to be found on this vehicle on any of the four corners. They all look great. All of the chrome trim here looks nice as well, and I'm going to take you on another tour so you can get a look of the bodywork, or look at the bodywork. See, that front door looks excellent. And again, besides some minor swirl marks in the clear coat, which can be expected just from regular use, it does present beautifully. Here at the rear of the vehicle, nice big tailgate with all of this nice chrome trim littered throughout, and it all looks brilliant. You'll see no damage to the chrome trim. Taillight lenses look great as well, and those nice big dual exhaust tips, well integrated into that lower plastic diffuser, looks excellent. So next up, we'll make our way to the interior. Of course, here on the interior, you're gonna find some nice leather seating arrangements. The leather's in excellent condition, the most minor wear marks there, but no issues with the stitching or the piping or the color of the leather. It all looks excellent, and that continues here on the passenger side. Make our way inside and we'll start it up for you. Of course, the key's just in my pocket. I'm going to use the start button just there as these welcome screens begin to fire up for me. One touch operation, fires right up without hesitation. Climate control and the infotainment fire up very promptly. As you can see, a very nice high definition screen. All of the controls look excellent as well. These are all touch controls, so of course you're not going to be worried about wear, as they're all just lights, and that does really clean up the look. When you shut off the vehicle, that whole panel is kind of bare, and I quite like that. Of course, there's a little hidden compartment that you may not know of. If I just push this little chrome bar just there, you'll see that center control area rotates up, and you have a nice little storage area with a charging port, and it can easily be stowed back, and then all of the controls come back for you. Of course, you can see your heated seats. You have a nice high definition backup camera as well. Looks perfect. Here in the gear selector area, all of the controls look perfect as well. Steering wheel, you can see your heated steering wheel control there, and a nice gauge cluster, as I mentioned, showing just over 94,000 original miles. Plenty of information can be brought up in that little center screen as well. All of the wooden trim throughout the interior, along with the stainless accents, all look just fantastic. And all of the leather surfaces are free of any sort of wear. They look really nice. And of course, let me open up this sunshade for you. As you can see, very, very large panoramic sunroof. Lets in a ton of natural light, really makes the interior feel more spacious. And it is all operated via this control panel just here. Now, as I fired up the vehicle, I'm gonna make my way up to the engine bay. Give you a quick look there. These Cadillacs do honk at you when you leave the vehicle running. So as you can see, that V6 idling perfectly smooth, very happy. I'll let you hear it uninterrupted for a moment. As you can see, this engine bay is incredibly clean. All of the plastic surfaces look fantastic, very, very well cared for. All of your reservoirs there for your fluids look very nice, well maintained throughout the engine bay, as you can see. This engine's plenty smooth. It delivers just enough power this vehicle can tow if necessary. Certainly a capable machine, and it's a nice tried and true power plant from Cadillac. Of course, very efficient as well, so you're going to get that nice fuel economy that you'd want for those longer trips. Nobody likes spending time at the gas station. Now here at the second row seating, you'll find all of the seats to be in just superb condition. All of the stitching looks wonderful, consistent with the front. As I hop in, of course, you will see I have deployed these media screens for your rear passengers. Of course, they do stow away very quickly and easily. I'm sitting behind where I would usually sit driving the vehicle, being a little over 6'3", 6'4". You can see here I have plenty of knee room, headroom is not a problem at all. And of course, I have that really nice, spacious panoramic roof. Gives you a nice view of the driver's area. If you see any of those lights in the center console flashing or strobing, that's only due to the camera's effect. To the human eye, they look just perfect. Gonna look here at the rear cargo area. One touch on that tailgate, opens right up, super smooth operation. You do have this nice deployable privacy blind just there. Oops, pulled it out of its track on this side. That was just poor operation on my part. There we go. As you can see, all the carpets back here look excellent. You do have some nice all-weather mats for all of your occupants in the vehicle. Carpets very well cleaned. Nice and spacious cargo area. And of course, one-touch operation to close it up. So if you have any further questions related to this Cadillac SRX, please reference the listing at AlphaCars.com. There you're going to find that high-definition photo set, the Carfax report, and all the relevant contact information. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.